GE Aerospace has secured a key subcontract as part of Bell Textron Incorporated's team to develop cutting-edge avionics for the U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) initiative. This announcement follows Bell's recent confirmation that the Army has approved Milestone B, transitioning the project into its Engineering and Manufacturing Development (EMD) phase. This milestone reflects confidence in the maturity of the aircraft's design and its essential subsystems. The Bell V-280 Valor, selected as the platform for the FLRAA program, will integrate GE Aerospace's advanced avionics and digital framework. This sophisticated technology will facilitate real-time data sharing, predictive maintenance, and seamless system upgrades, ensuring adaptability to evolving mission requirements. FLRAA is a cornerstone of the Army's broader Future Vertical Lift (FVL) modernization strategy, which aims to replace aging helicopter platforms with next-generation aircraft featuring enhanced speed, extended range, superior survivability, and advanced digital integration. The program will eventually phase out the long-serving UH-60 Black Hawk, which, despite decades of reliable service, has reached its developmental limits. FLRAA is designed from the ground up to address the demands of future combat scenarios, emphasizing operational agility and technological interoperability. The Bell V-280 Valor, a next-generation tiltrotor aircraft, merges vertical lift capabilities with the speed and efficiency of a fixed-wing design. Capable of exceeding 280 knots in flight, nearly double the speed of the Black Hawk, it boasts an operational radius exceeding 500 nautical miles without refueling. This expanded range and speed will enable faster response times across vast operational theaters, even in contested environments. A pivotal component of GE Aerospace's role in the program is the development of the digital backbone, a high-speed, modular open architecture system that supports rapid integration of emerging technologies. The digital backbone was instrumental in the Army's decision to advance the FLRAA program to Milestone B. Matt Burns, General Manager of Avionics Systems at GE Aerospace, stated, "The readiness of the digital backbone was a decisive factor in advancing FLRAA into the engineering and manufacturing development phase." Designed with a modular open systems approach, MOSA, the digital backbone allows seamless incorporation of new mission systems, software updates, and emerging capabilities without sole dependence on the original manufacturer. This approach enhances the aircraft's flexibility and longevity. Tanika Watson, General Manager for Future Vertical Lift at GE Aerospace, emphasized the impact, noting, "This architecture enables adaptable modifications to aircraft systems, aligning with the Army's vision for the future vertical lift programs." The system also incorporates time-sensitive networking, TSN, which facilitates high-speed, real-time communication between onboard and external command networks, critical for the Army's data-centric operational approach. GE Aerospace is also responsible for integrating the health awareness system into FLRAA. Drawing from extensive experience in both commercial and military aviation, this predictive maintenance technology continuously monitors aircraft systems, identifying potential failures before they occur. This proactive approach enhances mission readiness while significantly reducing maintenance costs. Similar predictive health systems have already yielded substantial savings and improved operational efficiency across various aircraft fleets. The FLRAA program represents more than just an aircraft replacement, it signifies a transformation in how the U.S. Army will conduct future operations. With speed, extended reach, survivability, and adaptability at its core, FLRAA will enable rapid deployment of troops and equipment, ensuring U.S. forces maintain a strategic advantage in modern warfare. Additionally, FLRAA is a foundational element of the broader Future Vertical Lift ecosystem, which includes complementary programs such as the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft, FLRAA, and unmanned aerial systems, all working in synergy for the future battlefield. As GE Aerospace and Bell Textron progress through the EMD phase, the U.S. Army moves closer to deploying a revolutionary vertical lift platform. The FLRAA program is set to redefine military aviation, ensuring that future forces remain agile, well-equipped, and technologically superior for decades to come.